extra marks. We welcome you here, ma'am. And to begin with, you are a technology service provider. So, the very basic question that we have, in today's scenario, what role do the technologies play in school education scenario in India?
What technology does is, yes, brings in the cutting edge infrastructure into the school, but mostly that is how technology is perceived or expected by a school or anybody who uses technology. They think that it is a more of an infrastructural enhancement. While we are a digital learning solution provider, our focus is a lot on pedagogy and how best practices of teaching can be brought together and brought into the classroom. What a teacher tries to achieve in a classroom is that every child should understand whatever she teaches. For that, traditionally, teacher uses teaching aids, and she chooses which teaching aids she needs to use. What digital learning does is allows her to use teaching aids in every concept, and we have created teaching aids which are also learning aids, and it is very student focused learning content that we provide. So the classroom becomes richer, more interesting, more interactive, and today's child really is a digital child. And that digital child can be reached out only through these platforms, but it is very crucial that what do we communicate through these platforms. So we have worked very hard on pedagogical frameworks to deliver through digital platforms. It is now almost started moving on the referral basis across the schools, because they have actually used it and seen the impact of it. And that's why the difference in the minds of the users, there is a shift from looking at technology as an infrastructural enhancement to technology as a way to enhance the learning in the classroom. That shift has happened in the minds of the people.
Ma'am, what has been the challenges while implementing these tools in schools? How receptive have been teachers, students, even parents for that matter? So what have been the challenges faced?
See, the biggest challenge is the technology barrier. Somehow we are a textbook bred generation trying to reach out to digital child, and the teachers have a big barrier against using technology. They think it is something very scary. So our challenge has been that how to tell a teacher that this makes her life easier rather than difficult. So this transition took us some time. So we put a huge amount of emphasis on training the teacher. If teacher is comfortable in using these tools, automatically the impact in the class is bigger. Secondly, also simplifying the tools. You should make it very complex. So our rule within our development team is that every content should be 2 clicks away. And she should have to know technology to use technology. She should use technology the way she uses a phone. So we have worked on the research and development to make the access simple. Secondly, simultaneously handheld her till she got comfortable. So in a model itself, these 2 things are incorporated.
Alright. Thank you, ma'am. It was a pleasure having you here at the session.
Thank you.